Do you love samosa or spring rolls? Then you will love this. Stick to the end to learn how. In a bowl, add minced meat, followed by some chopped onions, your spices, I'll leave this in the description box below, salt, garlic paste, then some breadcrumbs and an egg. Give your ingredients a good mix to combine everything to a firm texture, not too dry and not too soft. If the mixture is too dry, add another egg, and if it's too soft, add more breadcrumbs till you get that nice firm texture. Then get your puff pastry sheets. You can get ready-made in any supermarket, or you can also use samosa sheets or the spring roll sheets. Scoop a bit of the mixture and place it on the pastry sheet. Roll to wrap the mixture inside. Repeat the same procedure to as many sheets as you'd like. As I've said, if you love samosa, for sure you'll end up eating a lot of this as well. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with aluminum foil and grease the tray. Then place the rolled wraps onto the tray. For golden color, brush the rolled wraps with some eggs and bake for 20 to 30 minutes until ready. Remove your sausage rolls and they'll be ready to be enjoyed. That's it for today. Thank you so much for keeping it tuned. Remember to subscribe and share with your family and friends. Till next time, kwaheri.